Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Monday the 5th of May and we are showing up strong, no skipping Mondays over here. So we're gonna start with a quick warm up, some stretching and skipping to keep the body ready, of course, and then we'll go into 3 solid rounds of stomach exercises to help you work towards that flat tummy. So please do grab your mat, give yourself these few minutes, and let's move together. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Enjoy.